Hello everybody, today we're going to see the unboxing of Finecare FSH rabbit quantity test. This has to be used in the Finecare FIA system. This is basically the follicle-stimulating hormone rabbit quantitative test. The fluorescent method. I can just show you around the box. You can see it's a CE-IVD certified product. It's from Wondfo, China. You can see that. Okay. You can see the details here. On a standard, it has 2 years of expiry, and this can be stored in a room temperature. You can see the key contents. You have a 25 test cartridges, 1 ID chip, 25 deduction buffer, 25 pipette tips, and leaflet with instruction for use. 1. So this is how the total kit looks like. I'm going to unbox this for you. Okay, inside the pack you can see there's an instruction for use, a brochure. You can see there is a brochure like a leaflet. This carries this is FSH rabbit quantitative test. You can see the use here. It's a FIA method of test type, and it talks about the precautions and the testing procedures, and storage, your test procedures, and how do you interpret the results. So the complete instructions for completing this test is available in this brochure. And let me get inside. You have 25 pipette tips. And you have 25 extraction buffers. Here it is. You have 25 extraction buffers. You can see this here. FSH rabbit quantitative test deduction buffer. You can see that also has 2 years of expiry with room temperature storage. And inside you can see a chip, FSH chip, ID chip. And here you can see the 25 test cassettes here. You can see all the 25 test cassettes here. I'm just picking 2 from that. I'm keeping it here. Okay, you can see the test cassettes. It's from Wondfo. It says Finecare FSH rabbit quantitative test. You can see the lot number and the expiry period. 1 single in a foil, CE-IVD certified. Other side also shown here. So just quickly go through. This is from Wondfo Finecare FSH rabbit quantitative test kit. This Finecare test kit is a 25 test kit pack, and in a quick summary, this contents inside the box. You have one instruction manual for the complete test procedure, and you have 25 test pipette tips, and you have 25 deduction buffers, and you have one ID chip, and you have 25 test cassettes. This is the total content inside the box. Okay, thank you.